Welcome to IU Science Fest. Welcome to the Chemistry Open House version of it. And welcome to the Chemistry Magic Show. Woo! Oh, I thought you were just doing that for me. My name is James. I'm the outreach coordinator for the department and the National Chemistry Week coordinator for ACS. This happens to be National Chemistry Week as well. Today, what we're going to do is talk a little bit about Halloween. We're going to have a chemistry Halloween party theme. But before I do that, I have some very special people with me. I will let them introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Agoge. I recently finished my PhD in biochemistry.
Was she going to clap? Did that say clap?
No applause.
Applause means.
I'm Kayla, I'm an undergraduate chemistry student.
I'm Curtis, I'm an undergraduate chemistry student.
I'm Lisa, I'm an undergraduate biochemistry student. I'm Caitlin, I'm a lecture demonstration technician, and I work in the freshman labs.
And so I got in the corner who used to work for us in chemistry and moved on to Crane, and he came back just to hang out with us. So we could... All right, so to get this party started, and I do mean that fairly literally, because we're going to have a Halloween party. We want to have a chemist great party and maybe grand plans and schemes and stuff, but we thought we'd show you all how we set up a party for our chemist buddies. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we're going to have a party, everybody's got to get there, right? So maps work okay, but everybody's got their phone and GPS, that's all right. But you need to know when you get there that you're at the right place. You need a good sign to say, you have arrived, and this is the party place. So, I already have some nice orange Halloween paper up here ready to go. I forgot my mark. So, I have no markers or pens at all. So, even though I could use a paintbrush or maybe draw for a little while, I don't know, that'd take a while, I'd like a sign that it's easy to see, catchy, and it's easy for me to do. So, that being said, what better way to make a sign than to put on a bunch of safety equipment? Because nothing could possibly go wrong. And we are going to use a very special solution to make our sign. This solution happens to be white phosphorus dissolved in something called carbon disulfide. And I apologize because carbon disulfide makes this sulfur compound that happens to be the exact same thing that makes rotten cabbage smell so delicious. So, if you smell something funny, it's not your neighbor. It's just us. So, I would like a nice, wonderful sign. Let's see how good my handwriting is. Nice lying. That's right. And Caitlin's going to take that away for me. Now, that sign says a statement, I think so. Everybody can see that, right? So sad. That's a good sign. I mean, it's famous. But that ought to get people's attention, don't you think? Don't worry. We keep things handy.
It's on fire. No, we'll stop. We make
So this particular sign happens to work this way because white phosphorus is very flammable. White phosphorus phosphorus is the reason matches work. You have red phosphorus on the match, but by striking it, you make white phosphorus, and it just happens to do this, just because it's hot in the room. And my exclamation point is taking forever. And just because I really want to use it.
But here's the thing, normal mechanical clocks like that one right over there, they're just so boring. So what I did was I designed my very own chemical clock. But the first thing that I need to make any clock are the 3 units of time. Can anybody tell me what those are? I heard hours somewhere. Right back there, minutes? Seconds, that's right. Okay, it just so happens that I have pre-mixed solutions of each. So here go the hours. It takes the longest because it's the hours. I'm glad somebody thought that was Alright, I've got the minutes coming up next.
Why are you born some toast?
Alright, we got minutes, and then the last part, the seconds. Great crowd, great crowd.
I don't know.
Here it is, yeah, this will be cool. This 1 second, so here we go.
Oh, wow.
Alright, let's go. Now look at that. Hey James, you want to get a time on this?
You think this clock works, right?
Yeah, I think this clock has timing.
Return to blue.
He said, I'm not like colors. And what?
Go.
Well, it's definitely good sound.
Blue.
20 seconds.
20 seconds, all right. We have a nice clock. It shows it goes 3 times. All right, right back up.
We got the time now. I need to set the rules. Lots of spooky movies I've seen have colors, have fall rolling out of it. Since we're having a country Halloween party, I'm going to use this set of glasswares. And the coloring solution is so boring that I'm going to color it. I have my secret chemicals. Now, will you tell me what the color of the liquid is?
That looks pretty clear to me. Does that look clear to you guys?
That's right.
It's not colorless anymore. I think I'll make up on these.
Put on this bottle.
Purple?
That was red, for sure. We got this one in the bag. No, trust me, it's red. Trust me. It's red.
I know it is not red. Is that red? Purple.
Why did you do that? That's weird. It's where it's purple. I mean red.
I cannot find your peach indicators.
It's a gold color. You get the pink and purple.
And I have 3 movies of days.
I know it's black. It's actually blue.
Okay, you're right this time.
And we got one for 3. 1 for 3. That's to make it.
Blue.
Yes. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Whoa, it's changing color. What happened?
Because carbon dioxide is out in water, take the solution more acidic. Its color disappeared. Even now,
Yes, yellow.
green.
So you were right about the first one, it was actually colorless.
It's actually colorless.
You want to make more fog?
We always don't make this color.
Okay.
That's right.
It's too late.
Very carefully measured so you can see. So we got the right mood. This is fun to play with. I'm gonna just entertain myself for a while. Alright, so but we're gonna have a Halloween party. We've got the welcome sign, we've got the spooky atmosphere, now we're cooking. But it's Halloween, so we have to have jack-o'-lantern. That is required, right? Everybody got their jack-o'-lantern ready at home? Mine's gonna burn green now that I know chemistry. But, see, now this one's not a carved yet, so it's not ready. So, I want to do it quickly. Sitting up here with a knife and carving all, it'd be kind of boring, wouldn't it? Yeah, you guys would want more of it. So, instead, I found my marker. It was in my pocket. That no one saw. So, with my magic marker, I'm just going to draw a face on here real quick. Oh, yeah, here, I'll let you see it here in a second. Alright. There we go, okay. Now, does that look like a good pumpkin? No?
It's gonna.
Well, that's sad. But, no, normally, I gotta use the knife to cut it, but that takes too long. So instead, I'm just gonna do this. I've got some rocks here. These rocks happen to be something really cool, though. They're called calcium carbide. Calcium carbide mixed with water makes a very useful gas. This gas is called acetylene, which you may have heard from things like welding torches. So, excuse me. That did not work. Alright, now you can hear me, okay. So, now that I'm prepared, you guys prepared? You brought your face shields and everything? No! Why not? Alright, this is chemistry, so what we're gonna... moonlight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna carve a pumpkin the chemist way. You ready? 1, 2...
How can you make it so no one I can draw a face on it. Alright, if all goes well, after I freeze this pumpkin, I'm going to hit it with a hammer, and the piece should fall out, hopefully.
Oh, it's a banana hammer.
Actually, so we're going to use a little bit of liquid nitrogen here to freeze the pumpkin pretty quickly. Liquid nitrogen is negative 320 degrees.
Whoa.
There's a little bit cooler in your freezer. Just a little bit. Very nice. Negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
No.
Alright, that's going to take a couple of minutes.
Chicken steam out of its ears.
Do you like to have a snack? Would anyone like to have a snack with me? Ooh, I found some graham crackers here. How about frozen graham crackers? Have you had that before?
No.
I'm gonna make some.
You guys know how cold the nitrogen is? Yeah, really cold.
Dad, you can tell those little holes cut
You're
out.
bringing a snack to the party, right? Alright, good. I won't feel my tongue for a week.
Alright, so we've got our snacks. Now we've got round 2 of pumpkin carving.
Taylor, you gonna show me how to do it?
Alright. Now, the fun part, carving the pumpkin. Now the fun part, carving the pumpkin. Okay, on the count of 3, you guys are going to count. We're going to knock the pieces out of the pumpkin. Ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Maybe I'll leave the pumpkin carving game today.
What we do need some lights for decoration. That's all we work Three different colored Halloween lights. And then we can decide which one we want to use in our party. Yeah, just wait. This is doing the pool part yet.
So you guys treat them nice and warm.
Yeah, for one bottle. Okay, so here's the first one. Let's see what color this stuff has.
Purple light?
I think I can make a really bright light that we can see everybody's faces. Don't you think that would be good? You think I can make it as bright as the sun? You guys have no faith in me. I think I can do it. With Elisa's help.
I know this one.
I don't know if we're like to be blind, to be honest. There's a piece of mustard.
Maybe not.
Alrighty, so I'm just gonna light this to get the fire started. I know, it's so exciting. Pretend that the law sign is up now. I can see all of your faces
Hey, that really worked. That was great.
Alright, thank you guys.
All right, who likes that light better than the luminescent one?
Alright, well, I think we're to the right stage of the party here. We got our sign, everybody found the right place. It didn't set us on fire permanently. We got the mood, we got the pumpkins, we got the lighting, that's awesome. Now we got to get to the refreshments. So, I only had time to make one drink though, so you guys are going to like guess and tell me what you really want to drink. So here, just take a cup. Alright, so my one solution is supposed to be an all solution, so what you drinking?
I really like blue raspberry. Anybody else? Yeah, it's a good one. Alright, blue raspberry.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Alright, Eddie, blue raspberry.
Can I get some green apple flavor?
Really?
Yeah.
Alright,
Right,
alright.
that was great, yep.
How about you, sir?
They start.
I do go for some orange juice.
Oh, good. That's easy. Orange juice it is.
Or blood orange juice.
Alright, let's get us some cherry juice.
You need to cough syrup?
Yeah. Perfect. I'll feel better now. I want some grape juice.
Alright, that one. I like grape juice. I'll try it.
Oh, that's pretty dark. Purple.
Very great.
I do. I want to do.
Yeah, alright. Alright. Now we're all ready for the party, right? Everybody can have a drink, so.
Cheers, everyone!
Oh, wait. I just remembered. That's all I have. We've got to keep that for the party. Yeah, no. Here, put it back. Put it back.
That's gross.
Party. Here. Alright, good. Okay, we'll say that later.
We were really thirsty. We've been here all day. Are you sure you don't have anything else? That looks like an empty bottle.
We can fix that.
We can fix it? Okay. I believe you.
Yeah. That is no problem, right? So, somebody decided we should be healthy, so we just died. So we are out of our soda, unfortunately, but the cool part is they left the recipe on the bottle. Main ingredient, water.
Looks like water.
Well, it's supposed to be water.
Oh, okay.
But the second ingredient, though, the important part, I mean, you got it's a soft drink, so it's got to be sweet. However, I'm watching my finger, so sugar is not an option. Instead, we need one of those chemical sweeteners.
Lemon.
Darn chemicals. So, aspartame is what it says. All right, so we have to have, oh, good. You got this. Linda.
Yeah, I prefer to let us do that.
No.
Alright. Sorry. Yep.
All right, so we have sweet water. This is not very good at all. Anybody know what the next ingredient is? You do? Oh, this is the healthy guy. No more of this. Carbon dioxide is pretty close. Carbon dioxide actually, we learned it turns into an acid. So guess what? The next ingredient is phosphoric acid. So we're going to add acid to this. Phosphoric acid and natural ingredients. So don't talk about, we know they're a natural ingredient formula with mostly phosphoric acid. All right, so now we got a nice tasty Coke, right? Those of you that are old enough to remember Pepsi Clear, it was not a good idea, so it's supposed we should put the color in there. So here, this is the right color, right? You told me yes, and I heard you say no. Yeah. Yes, this is the right color. Okay, so we put this in here. And we need to shake it up. Nothing happened. I have Coke, right? Coke, right here. It's not. It's not. It's not Coke. Pour your glass right now. What do you mean it's clear? There's no. I don't see no.
More than I do. That's my friend Herbert here. Yeah, so pumpkin can be your friend. Alright, so Herbert, he loves candy, like I said. So after he goes trick-or-treating, he decided, I'm going to eat the entire amount of candy right here. So after eating all that candy, he got a little thirsty. So what better to wash down all that candy with a nice soda? However, he started to feel a little sick after drinking that much sugar and eating that much sugar. Let's see what it did to him. So don't eat your entire mountain of candy and drink soda afterwards. I'm gonna go take him home now.
I think that was pretty impressive. I don't think I've ever get so sick that it came out their eyes. It was bad. Had a rough night. Well, that was a cute pumpkin. But this is the chemistry department demo show. And we have not had near enough fire. Right? Right? I like scary pumpkins. Oh, I know. I like scary pumpkins. When trick-or-treaters come to my house, they have to earn their candy. So, we're gonna see how scary we can make it.
The exploding.
Set the mood.
What?
Are you guys ready? Sounds like it. Are you ready? Alright, 3, 2. Little flame. Alright, let's see. How big can we make this? Would you go trick-or-treating and come to my house if you saw this door walk up to the door? One more scary one?
Another fun year, Science Fest open house, magic show, but before we go to the grand finale, I think all the trucks are starting to shut down. Science Fest ends very, very shortly. We want to say a big thank you to all of you for coming and spending a day with us on campus to see all the cool stuff that science is going around the university. And we are always told to end with a bang. So we're going to blow stuff up. Exception of that sad little thing. These are hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest gas in the universe. And happens to do cool stuff like power our sun, get tied to my shoes. Nobody's lighting it right now, right? Alright, and it happens to combine with oxygen really, really well. So, when we think of hydrogen cars, we hope you think of coming to chemistry and doing some cool stuff. Anybody brave enough to light this point? It is kind of sad. Alright. You hit the light, I'll give it a little headlamp. There will be a noise. Make your ears. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So, I forgot to mention, not only do we have a little bit of hydrogen in these, we also have put just a little bit of metal salt in there, so we can change the colors of our explosions. That might have to be a little red. Check it out, see what we got next.
What do you say?
that what it is.